In this video, we will build your first AI agent with Claude CLI. Everything is on Windows command prompt. I will open one command prompt here first. And inside this, I will now go to my C drive. I will write here cdc / press enter. I am inside this now. I'll make a new folder, mkdir first agent. And then I will go inside this folder, cd first agent. Let me also tell you what this agent is going to do. This agent will read your task list from a text file. Then it will do two useful things for you. First, it will create a clear summary of your task. Second, it will create a short action plan for the next 2 hours. So instead of just storing tasks, it helps you decide what to do next. By the end of this video, you will have a working mini assistant on your Windows machine. Now, I am going to create a text file todo.txt, and inside this I will write some content. So we will use the command echo. I will write buy groceries. Then this will go to todo.txt file. Then I will write echo finish report. This will be also part of todo.txt. Then echo, I will show you this text file. Let me finish writing. Call mom todo.txt. Then type, I can show you here, type todo.txt. So this is the text file I have, and these are the content in this. And let me open this text file and show you. So I'll open this, go to this PC, then I'll open this, and you can see this is the folder that I've created, first agent. If I open this, I have this todo text file, and if I open this, I have this buy groceries, finish report, then call mom. So I have this text in this to-do list. Now we will start our Claude CLI. I will write here Claude. And here you can simply click this first yes one. I trust this folder. It has started now. Now we have to write a prompt in this todo.txt file, and we also have to create one summary.md file. In that we will have 3 sections. So I will write here read todo.txt and create summary.md with 3 sections. First is quick summary. Second is priority order. Third is plan for today in simple bullet points. And then I will say it is generating now. This is your first agent behavior, goal plus content plus output file. You can see that first I got some API error, but it is now handled. It has created the summary.md file, and you can see the summary here. First is quick summary that I have said in this prompt here, quick summary. Second is priority order, and third is plan for today. So in quick summary, you have 3 outstanding personal tasks: picking up groceries, finishing a report, and calling your mom. Second is priority order. This is a priority it has defined: finishing report, buy groceries, and call mom. And the third one is plan for today. Start the morning by finishing the report, head out to buy groceries. Once the report is done, call mom in the evening to relax and catch up. If time runs short, the grocery and call can roll over to tomorrow. Now it is asking me to create file. I will just press enter yes. so it can start creating this. Now, once this is finished, I will give a new task to my Claude. Yeah, it is finished. If I go to this folder here, you can see it has created this summary.markdown file. Now I'll go back to this terminal and I will say based on todo.text and summary.md create, I will ask to create next actions.md with exactly 3 actions I can do in the next 2 hours. Make each action short and specific. Let me press enter. Now it has started running. It is also giving me some tip to set this Claude code. Use PowerShell tool is equal 1 to enable it. Now it has created the file nextaction.md. It wants me to verify before it actually creates it. If I show you this folder, there is no file unless I press enter. So it has created this next section, next 2 hours, draft the report, spend 60 minutes writing the first full draft. Second is calling mom, make a 20 minutes catch up call. And the third one is place a grocery delivery order now. Now I think this is a good one. So I'll press enter and this will create the file for me. Now, if I check this folder, you can see I also have this next action, or even I can write dir here, then it will show me whatever file it has created. And here you can see this is a directory. So I have these files, next action.md. It is also giving me the size, the modify. So at the time of recording this video, today is 19th July. Then it has also created summary.md file, also to.text. We have already seen here. So quick recap, we opened Windows command prompt. We created to.text as context, Claude generated summary.md and next underscore actions.md. That is your first practical AI agent workflow. If this helped, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.